उसे कभी उसमें कमी नहीं आने दी। द एप्टीट्यूड टू सर्व, the aptitude to donate, and the aptitude to help the needy was never taken away, was never betrayed by the obstacles coming in the way of his life. So this is a great learning. The epic of Mahabharata has a great learning, especially for our teenagers. When we do talk about the learnings for the age group of 13 years and 14 years, so lot of takeaway from Mahabharata epic we can go with. First I would like to share is that one teaching from Mahabharata is half knowledge can be a dangerous thing. Arjun's son Abhimanyu teaches us this particular concept, that half knowledge can have adverse impact on the life. अभिमन्यु को चक्रव्यूह में प्रवेश करने का ज्ञान तो था, लेकिन उस चक्रव्यूह को भेद कर उससे बाहर निकलने का ज्ञान नहीं पता होने की वजह से उसे जीवन इतना साहसी होने के बावजूद भी जीवन से हाथ धोना पड़ा। Another learning which we can say from Mahabharata epic is what? One should not give up on life despite the adversity, despite all the hurdles coming in the way of life. और इसका जीता जागता उदाहरण कर्ण के जीवन से हमें मिलता है। Right from the birth of Karna, he faced a lot of hurdles and he battled throughout his life. He fought the discrimination in his life. He fought the disgrace in his life at every stage of his life. और इतना डिस्क्रिमिनेशन एंड इतना डिस्ग्रेस जीवन में मिलने के बावजूद भी उसने समाज को देने की जो उसकी प्रवृत्ति थी, देने का जो संकल्प था, दान करने का जो संकल्प उसने लिया था, उसे कभी उसमें कमी नहीं आने दी। द एप्टीट्यूड टू सर्व, the aptitude to donate, and the aptitude to help the needy was never taken away, was never betrayed by the obstacles coming in the way of his life. So this is a great learning, this is a great takeaway from the epic of Mahabharata, that we can take the learning from these characters. यहाँ तक कि कर्ण के जीवन में जो उसके लिए लाइफ सेवियर के रूप में कवच और कुंडल था, उसे भी दान स्वरूप न्यौछावर करने में तनिक भी नहीं हिचका। This teaches the selfless aptitude of an individual and how to be a man of great heart. Mahabharata also teaches about the sacredness of a relationship called friendship. The friendship of Lord Krishna with the Pandava was made him to be even as a chariot driver for Pandavas, and irrespective of the fact that Krishna was a king of his own kingdom, but still he shows his humbleness for the sake of friendship. So ego should be shadowed by the the humbleness, which was very, very simply defined and taught here by the friendship of Krishna and Arjuna.